Casto are a world leader in the supply of CNC saws. I've travelled here to their head office in Milton Keynes today to meet with Ernst Wagner, who's going to talk to me about their products. So the Casto Tech obviously services the high-end market. What about the general steels market? What do Casto have for that?
We're very excited. We recently introduced the Casto Win, which is a very revolutionary, competitive machine for the general steels segment. Something we've missed out over the years because we had some equipment available, but it was maybe too much volume focused, whereas now we've found a machine and found a way of manufacturing it that's incredibly competitive, but has a typical Casto quality features within at incredible prices.
So you can service both ends of the marketplace?
We finally got a complete opportunity here for all market requirements, and I think we've already had a very good response because at the recent open house we sold 4 directly from the show, which has never happened before. We've sold over 155 since it's been launched, and that's only 4 months ago globally. So it's the market is responding fantastically too.
So for the general steels market, Ernst, we've got the Win range. This is a new machine?
Yeah, brand new machine designed for over the last 3 years and then launched May this year at the 170th anniversary of the company as a private company owned by the Stolzer family. It's exciting for us because we didn't really have anything in a competitive field for the general customer profile. We know how many machines have been or are being used in the UK, so there's a potential here for a very high number. So we have derived the design and the technology from the Casto Tech highest performance machine, where we're focused on the vibration. It's all been introduced into the Casto Win, but without the carbide package. So it's a general purpose machine at an incredible price. In fact, a 460 fully automatic production machine will cost you £35,000 delivered and installed.
So 460 or 4.6, for our viewers, that means that the maximum bar diameter would be 460.
Yes, correct. We have got 5 machines in the range, so we've got a 3.3, 330, 4.6, 460, 5.6, 560, 8.6, 860, and 10.6, 1060. So there's 5 machines within the Casto Win range, all at this incredible price.
I look at this machine as there's 2 potential customers in the fact that you've got stockholders or handlers of material handling, and also machine shops that want to saw their own material. Would that be correct?
Yes, very correct. We are supplying both customer profiles. At the moment it has been roughly about a 60-40 split towards steel stock holders and 40% machinists. With the Win, we believe that will definitely reverse. So we will tap into that general purpose, general steel market by offering a machine which is technologically advanced at an incredibly competitive price.
So because of the economies of scale, the quantity of the machines that you're going to be manufacturing and the way that you're doing it means the price comes down, which means the justification is far easier for that machine shop.
Absolutely. Yeah, we're really over the moon personally, or I am personally over the moon, because we have had other tools to work with in the past. And I'm also a great believer in the UK manufacturing industry. I'm doing quite a bit of lobbying, and I know the difficulty we are facing, but I also feel that the UK can be competitive compared to all the other European markets with the right technology. As you said, we have now introduced the machine at the right price, making it easier for that segment to keep growing.
And the key to the justification has to be in the speed and what you can produce from this machine. So the technology you have with the control and the machine itself, does that mean that it is faster than the competition? Why is the machine better than a competitor's machine?
Yes, as a comparison, I always use that analogy. A standard machine within a machine shop at the moment, with any brand, has a factor of 1. The Casto Win has a factor of 1.3. So theoretically, I'm saying, and practically, it's about 30% faster than any other method of machinery available. And of course, that increase in production, in output, leads us back into the cost per cut. What is cost? Cost is not the blade, cost is not necessarily the machine investment, cost is your operational cost. how long does it take you to make a component? If we save you 30% of a 35-pound overhead, we're saving you serious amounts of money. All our machines we sell in the UK are paid back within 1 year.
I was going to ask you for a sentence as to why someone should buy a machine, but I think you've just answered that already. So, Ernst, thanks for your time.
Thank you very much.